Ganda naman nito. Ganito na pag summer talaga, ang ganda. Sarap tignan ng paligid.
Sama, sama, sama,
Sama ko yung tatlong
sama.
three ladies.
I'm not a lady. I'm a I'm a baby. This is the park.
Punta kami sa church.
What's this baby? Look at that
Ah, ang
tree.
ganda ng tree.
There's the blossom,
Look at the-
blossom trees.
Nice, yun eh.
Awesome tree. Awesome.
Sarap tignan yung mga puno.
Yeah, Mama.
Tsaka yung paligid daw green na green. Kasi dito umuulan.
Mama, Dad. Face. No, she just
Ito prutas ito. What kind of fruits this one? Ano to? What's this? Cherry? Look at the squirrel. Bali kaming tatlo lang itong mga bata. Kasama ko pupunta ng church ngayon. So thank you sa mga new subscriber. We have a new subscriber, 76.
Darling,
Thank you. Okay, thank you. Thank you for the new subscriber.
Thank you for the new subscribers, guys. Thank you for big subscriber.
Thank you.